In this video, I will be showing how an admin can create a new payment plan for the school. For this, the admin needs to log in to the school portal, go to the classes, select payment plan from the rightmost drop-down, click on Add New Plan. The admin needs to fill up all the fields and click on Add New Plan for adding a new payment plan. Today I will be discussing about some of the popular payment plans that our schools are using. One of the most popular payment plan is the full payment plan. Also, the admin can clone a plan, update a plan, and delete a plan. Now let's talk about the full payment plan. The admin can write up the name of the payment plan. For example, a plan A, full payment plan for 2 children. The number of children is 2. The admin can set if the payment plan will be shown to the parents during registration, then it should be set to public. If the admin wants to keep this payment plan private, then it needs to be set to admin only. Since this is a full payment plan, so the initial payment amount and the total amount will be equal. For example, here the initial payment plan is $900. This $900 has to be paid by the parent during the time of registration. That's why the number of payments, installment amount, subscription duration, and the start date can be kept empty. The product is a crucial part of the payment plan. The admin needs to select the tuition fee, the live tuition fee basically. Since this is a demo company, so we have set the product as a test product. Has to select tuition fee. Needs to fill up the membership type if the company maintains any membership with us. And can add notes for further scrutiny. And this note will be shown to the parent at the time of registration. Finally, update the plan.